Well, hello, loves. I am just coming to you today with a super quick video. I received my Wal Mart Beauty Box subscription today. Walmart has a really cool little subscription service that you can join, and it's $6.95, and every 3 months you get a beauty box. So I got mine today, and we're going to look inside to see what we got. So when you open it up, you get a pamphlet that says Winter Wonders, and I'm assuming that this is going to change every time that you get a subscription box. But when you open it up, it gives you all of the little things that could come in your subscription box. Things like EOS 24-hour moisture super balm. They have a Paris Hilton for women perfume, and these are all sample sizes. You could get a CoverGirl Outlast lip stain, CeraVe, let's see, number 7 Lift and Illuminate. So these are all like little sample items that you could get inside the box. So let's check out what we got. Okay, we got ourselves an e.l.f. Skin Sun Touchable Invisible Sunscreen SPF 35. Wow, not bad, not bad. You know how much I love e.l.f. And this is a 1.69 fluid ounce bottle. Oh, we got some Paris Hilton perfume. It's got a tiny little perfume bottle that's got a spray on it, which is really cool. We got some Physicians Formula Butter Glow Bronzing Serum. Check that out. I'm anxious to use this. Let's check this out. Let's open it up and look and see. Oh, yep. I'm anxious to use that. It's actually a little dropper bottle, so nice. I got a miniature CeraVe lotion. Always wonderful because you can put these in your purse or you can have it at your desk at work or wherever. I love these little travel size bottles. We have a quick dry nail polish, very pretty. They list inside your little pamphlet the prices of what these full-size samples are, and this is a full-size e.l.f. sunscreen, and it retails for $14, so it's full size. So right there you actually are only paying $6.95 for all of these things, and you've made your money back just in this SPF right here. The EOS is also a full-size lip balm, and also the Olive and June nail polish is a full-size nail polish balm. My lips are pretty chapped actually, so this comes in handy right now. We're gonna try that out. Our little EOS. It is a nice thick formula. It's not sticky. Just a very light flavor of watermelon. Yeah. It's a little bit thicker, which I actually like, because a lot of times you'll get these balms that you apply them and then literally a minute and a half later, it feels like they're off of your lips. So this feels like it might be a really good one, and it would be very moisturizing, and it will hang out for a minute so that it can actually do its job. I just wanted to open the e.l.f. really quick and see. And the e.l.f. sunscreen, it's very light. There's absolutely no scent to it. It doesn't have that sunscreen smell. So I really like that, and it absorbs very quickly. So I'm anxious to use that. I just found this. I was actually scrolling through YouTube like I always do. And I found, honestly, I cannot remember. I'm so sorry who she was, but I just saw that she applied, or she signed up for these like beauty boxes from Walmart. It's just a $6.95 subscription. And you go on there and you put your information in and they will send you a beauty box every 3 months. Winner chicken dinner. The idea of this little beauty box, it's fabulous. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you have a great day and I hope you enjoyed our unboxing. And go check out walmart.com, their subscription. I'll try and see if I can link it down in my description box so that you guys can see or sign up for it if you want. But I just thought that that was pretty cool. So yeah, giving Walmart some love. All right, thanks guys. Have a great day. Until next time.